Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to spot for expert-backed beauty insights with no fluff, just facts, function, and the truth about your favorite products and tools. Today, we're reviewing the OmySalon Shampoo Backwash Unit, a full hair washing station designed for professional use in salons, barbershops, and spas. This is a heavy-duty, all-in-one setup featuring a reclining shampoo chair, large porcelain bowl, and supportive neck rest, meant to enhance both the stylist's workflow and the client's experience. So, what exactly are we working with here? The OmySalon Backwash Unit features a deep porcelain bowl paired with a rubber neck rest, allowing clients to relax without that uncomfortable neck strain we all dread. The chair itself includes a 0.9-inch thick cushion seat and an extended backrest, both covered in soft PVC vinyl that's resistant to water and easy to clean, a must in fast-paced salon environments. The bowl is fixed at 33.6 inches high, aiming to eliminate stylist fatigue from bending and stooping, and the steel-reinforced frame is built to last. There's also an ottoman that doubles as extra leg support, elevating the spa-like experience for clients. Setting this up was more intuitive than expected. It comes with all the plumbing hardware you need: faucet, vacuum breaker, strainer, even 2 plumbing options through the floor or the back wall. You can position yourself behind or beside the unit when shampooing, and that flexibility matters, especially in tight workspaces. I installed it in a test studio and ran multiple washes throughout a busy day. No spills, no awkward neck angles, just smooth operation. Clients with longer, thicker hair will especially appreciate the generously sized bowl. No water sloshing over the sides, even during deep rinses. And the one-piece neck rest? Surprisingly comfortable. It held up well across multiple head shapes and hair types without digging in or slipping around. However, a few things to note. While the chair padding is quite plush, the ottoman is stationary, meaning it doesn't adjust to different leg lengths or reclining preferences. Also, the bowl is stationary, not tiltable. This isn't a deal breaker, but it's worth noting for stylists who prefer a more adjustable system. From a stylist standpoint, the height and reach were ideal. No awkward angles, and the plumbing versatility was a standout. Maintenance-wise, the PVC upholstery wipes down easily and dries quickly between appointments, and the steel frame feels incredibly secure, definitely not flimsy. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. In terms of value, the OmySalon unit sits in the mid to premium price range, but it earns its cost in construction and comfort. Porcelain bowls alone tend to cost more than plastic or fiberglass options, and when you factor in the steel frame, ergonomic design, and complete plumbing kit, it's not overpriced. It's properly positioned for the quality you're getting. Now, if you're on a tighter budget or just setting up a beginner station, there are more affordable alternatives, like models with fiberglass bowls or simpler frame builds. But you'll likely sacrifice long-term durability, client comfort, or plumbing flexibility. This unit feels like a solid middle ground between high-end and entry-level equipment. Build quality is where this unit shines. The steel-reinforced structure and memory foam padding aren't just buzzwords. They genuinely enhance both longevity and day-to-day performance. It holds up to repeated use, water exposure, and client weight fluctuations with no signs of strain. This is a piece of equipment designed for constant use. No direct interaction with OmySalon's customer support during this test, but based on broader brand feedback in the salon equipment space, they have a decent track record for responsiveness, especially when it comes to parts replacement and shipping issues. So let's wrap this up. The OmySalon Backwash Unit delivers where it counts: comfort, functionality, and practicality. It's best suited for small to medium salons, independent stylists upgrading their setup, or barbershops adding a wash station without sacrificing space or aesthetic. If you're looking for a professional backwash station that balances client comfort and stylist ergonomics, and you want something that looks polished while performing well, this is a solid contender. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. You can find the link to check out the OmySalon Shampoo Backwash Unit in the description or comments below. If you've used this product, drop a comment. Let's swap stories. Until next time, Stay beautiful inside and out.